If your thighs rub when you walk and you feel uncomfortable in jeans or leggings, this is for you. Today I'll show you one standing move you repeat only 8 times. No squats, no jumping. Easy on the knees. And please watch till the end because most people do this move wrong and then they say it didn't work. I'll show you exactly how to do it so you feel it in the thigh and leg area, not in the knee. Also, I'll tell you the best daily routine, how often to do it and when. Are you also suffering from excessive thigh fat? Well, I had the same problem once and I had excessive inner thigh fat and outer thigh fat, not being able to wear my favorite pair of jeans. Also, when I used to walk, my inner thighs used to rub against each other and cause a certain redness called chub rub. That was so painful. If you're experiencing the same thing, then these exercise. If you're experiencing the same problem, then this exercise is for you. Because if either you're having the chub rub because of your sedentary lifestyle or your bad eating habits or your hormonal imbalance or it is genetic, either one of the issues have to be addressed. Let me know in the comment below what is your reason for having excessive thigh fat. Which reason is that you believe is the actual main reason? And the worst thing ever, I started doing squatting because I wanted to get rid of my excessive thigh fat very fast and I thought this is the best exercise. But in the process, I ended up hurting my knees. And because of which I could never exercise properly after that. So this exercise is gentle on the knees. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. It's completely beginner friendly. Plus, if you are the one who makes a lot of excuses because of lack of time, then you just have to do this very move only 8 times. That's it. You heard that right. You're sure to see results. So you have to stand next to a chair and hold it tightly for balance. Don't lean your whole body onto the chair. Feet will be hip width apart. You have to stand tall and pull your belly slightly in. Shoulders relaxed. We are going slow because slow is what makes this effective. Now let me show you the exercise and tell you some simple rules which you have to follow to see amazing results. This is a standing side lift. For this, the rule number 1 you have to follow is no swinging. And rule number 2, you only have to lift as high as you can, not higher than your own capacity. Rule number 3 is your upper body will stay still, not that you're lifting your body and you're swaying to the side as well. Alright, we'll start with the left leg first. First rep, lift to the side and return slowly. Rep 2, stay tall and don't bend forward. Rep 3, feel the side thigh working. Rep 4, control the return and don't drop it. Slowly. Rep 5, small movement is okay, just control is important. Rep 6, keep the toes facing forward. Do not rotate the leg. Rep 7, breathe normally, just hold your breath. Rep 8, this is the last one, take it slow and you're done. Well done. Now just shake the leg gently and relax your hip. Now we have to move on with the right leg. Now with the right leg, same move. Rep 1, lift and return. Rep 2, keep your chest open and stand proud. Rep 3, don't lean into the chair or forward, just light support. Rep 4, you should feel this on the outer thigh area. Rep 5, slow and controlled. This is where results come from. Rep 6, keep your standing leg stable. Rep 7, relax your shoulders and breathe. Now rep 8, You have to take it slow and you're done. Great! Now you just have to shake both your legs off, relax your hip area, and you're done. Now listen, why only 8 times? Because this move works on muscle activation and control. Most people do 50 fast reps, feel nothing, and quit. But when you do it slow, your thigh muscles switch on properly. And that's what helps your legs look lighter, tighter over time. Here's exactly what to do daily. Do 8 reps per leg once. That's your minimum. If you're a complete beginner, start with 1 round only for 3 days. From day 4 onwards, if your body feels okay, do 2 rounds. That means 8 left, 8 right. Rest 20 seconds. Then again, 8 left, 8 right. And please remember, no pain in the knee. If you feel knee pain, reduce the height of the lift and go slower. If you do this daily, you'll start noticing walking feels easier, thighs feel less heavy, and legs feel more active. And the biggest change, your legs start feeling held instead of loose. Consistency is everything. 1 move daily properly. That's the secret. Now save this video and do it with me daily. No squats, no jumping. Just 8 times and you're done. And see you in the next one. So if you're looking for a paid weight loss program, you can click on the link given below in the description and join my transformation program, where you get a comprehensive guideline for either the Trim 90 or the Wellness 80 program, where you can either join us for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or a whole year for a healthy lifestyle under the guidance of a doctor, dietitian, and a health counselor. Your choice. If you make it right, you're sure to see results. All you have to do is click on the link given below in the description, where your whole meal plan will be made according to your choices, your preferences, your daily routine, and everything that is all about you, keeping in mind. If you don't have time to cook large meals or fresh meals, we will help you. We will plan the day for you. And we will also make sure that you do your meal planning over the weekend so you can enjoy fresh home-cooked meals over the week. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.